Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a flash flood warning for eastern Henderson County in western North Carolina, Polk County in western North Carolina, northwestern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, northeastern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Gauges on the North Pacolet River and the North Saluda River are showing rapid rises. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Columbus, Flat Rock, Landrum, Tryon, Lake Lower, Saluda, Chimney Rock Village, Chimney Rock State Park, Bat Cave, Tigerville, Pleasant Ridge State Park, Lake Adger, Mill Spring, Dana, Ednaville, East Flat Rock, Glassy Mountain, Gowinsville, North Saluda Reservoir and Tuxedo. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Now here is the hazardous